Adhesives and sealants are essential materials used across industries such as construction, automotive, electronics, packaging, furniture, aerospace, and industrial manufacturing. Producing high-performance bonding and sealing solutions requires precise formulation, efficient process control, strict quality management, and complete traceability throughout the production lifecycle. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of adhesives and sealants manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From formulation management, raw material procurement, and bill of materials to batch production planning, mixing, blending, quality assurance, inventory management, packaging, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced batch production planning enables manufacturers to optimize equipment utilization, monitor material consumption, schedule production efficiently,